I'm just ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll dough compliment.
Hey, been a little minute. Been working my butt off, but today I'm back and some updates. Some updates. We are still pre-repair on the Jag. Today I'm gonna do brake change out on the fronts. I might get to the backs. Got brakes for all around the vehicle. So, had a couple things I'm actually gonna do. Show y'all all the parts I got in my next video. But let me tell you what else happened pre-repaired. I'm glad it happened right now rather than later. So I was coming home about 3 weeks ago. About 3 weeks ago. And I was right before I got to my house. I was at the red light. Boom. About half a mile from my house. Less than half a mile. And I was making a left onto my road, and a cat was in the median. Like, keep in mind, the median is not like a raised median. It's like a flat road. Everything's the same. Cat just froze up some of my car. About 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. And okay, I'm like, okay, that cat way over there. Let me try to swerve around. And I went to the right lane when he was in the median, got further away from him. And as soon as I get in the right lane, this cat decided the last second dart. He just like, he changed his mind. You know what? Fuck it, I'm trying to go. He darts out, boom, smacks him smack in the middle of my freaking grill. So I ended up having some more stuff to repair. So when that happened, I said, damn, I guess I get to order my grill now. But let me see how the damage. So when I smacked the cat, it caused some flexing to occur right here, or chipped some paint. Same right here. And because I smacked them right here, cracked my grill. This right here, this is actually pushed in and all jacked up. That's it. This all broke in. All the snaps broke off of this. Half the snaps broke off the face of the grill. If you notice, I got a tie wrap right here that's strapped to the metal. It's keeping the grill in, looking like it's a little more set for the meantime. Because it was kind of drooped down because all of these snaps broke off. But the good thing is that from what I noticed, all the pieces of plastic that was falling out from the snaps were all chrome. That let me know it was the grill snaps that broke off and not the car pieces or whatever. So hadn't took it apart yet. So now, since all of this happened and this grill face broke, all of this messed up or whatever, all of this messed up, I just ordered a whole new grill. So I found a grill on eBay. All right, so for one, my car's gonna get painted. Let me get all this paint stuff repaired. My bumper's not cracked, it's just the flexing, and the flexing caused the paint to chip. So I'm gonna get all this paint stuff fixed, and you really see all the rest of the damage is right on the grill part, the grill portion. So I ordered the grill. I saw a grill on eBay. Oh, I want to show you the grill so bad. Wait till next. Wait till next. Because the next video I got to show you the grill as well as a spoiler. But anyway, and the grill actually had the sensor mounts in there. So it was like $588 out of Ohio. At first I saw it, I was like, man, it's so much cheaper. And then it's like, got the other one way cross seas or something like that. You gotta order out of the country, and it costs like $15. I don't know how much the shipping costs. $1,500, $1,200, $1,500 to get to order the grill and get it here. So anyway, I ended up reading closer and closer, and I looked at another shot, and it said sensor mounts are included. I said sensor mounts are on the grill or whatever. I was like, oh dang! And I saw the clip, and I saw the sensor mounts were actually on there. Grill came in. The sensor mounts are actually on there. They look good. The only thing with this grill is the perimeter of the grill, the face of the grill is carbon fiber look. And I was contemplating changing my car to that carbon fiber look, just with certain accessories. I'm in between keeping it black because my spoiler by factory is carbon fiber. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna keep it black. I'm gonna keep everything black. Keep it how I originally planned. Don't want to try to deviate from the plan because my parts are coming in matching colors. But anyway, so the face of the grill is not gloss black. It's that flat black, and it's the same kind of pattern on the factory grill. So I'm gonna get the grill painted with my spoiler painted, with my front lower lip painted, with my mirror covers painted, with my grill hood louvers painted, and my window trim painted. And I'm just gonna have everything nice, clean gloss black, and we'll get rid of all this stuff, because even on my mirror covers, it's the chipping started to curve on the wrap, and I was gonna rewrap them again, but I realized I'm about to get this car painted, so I'm not gonna wrap this anymore. I'm done with the wrap. I mean, it holds up good, but you're gonna keep having this along the edges because these conditions. You see how it's hot right now. It's 96 degrees right now. And for some of y'all to live in the West, Midwest, I'm like, that's not hot. Yeah, but y'all don't have 88 to 90% to 100% humidity. Y'all don't have that. So it's hot down here is different. You walk outside and you go, if you're not used to it, you ain't gonna be able to breathe. So please. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this video going with this brake calipers. Wrong side. So the first thing I did was actually came in and I pulled this brake sensor out. Basically it snaps right in the back like this, on the back of the brakes. It's like that. And you just kind of pull it out. Use my finger to kind of get behind it a little bit with the flat head, and it is. There you go, pop it out. And now you got two caps back here. Dust caps. You gotta pop off. They're like right here, and the other one is like right up, right there. These caps, and behind these caps are 9mm. Let me see if I can get this back here so you can see a little bit. It's so hard to get back here. I get my phone all crazy dirty. But it's 2 caps. It's dark back here. It's 2 caps back there. You need a 9mm hex to break those bolts. Get up in there. Gotta watch your ABS wires and stuff like that and your brake line. Should have got my ratchet wrench, my freaking speed ratchet. Alright, unscrew both of them now. It's the last one. These long studs right here come out. Here and here. So now they out. We should be able to remove this whole caliper off, but I'm gonna get something to sit it on before I take it off because I don't want this to be hanging. Let me push on the caliper and pull on it. Try to create some slack on the. Now it should be looser to come off. And there we go. Caliper is now off the bracket. Exposed to the brakes, to the brake level. Brakes are kind of low. Believe it or not, the Jaguar sensor comes on pretty damn early. You can see I'm nowhere close to rubbing metal on metal, but it does give you the sensor, the warning to let you know it is time to change the pads, and I like that. So that way, in case you having a busy week or a high volume work schedule or whatever you do in your car, across the country somewhere, touring, and you get that brake indicator light, just know you probably got, I mean, I done put about, since this brake sensor came on, I probably put a little under 1,000, probably about, yeah, a little under 1,000 miles on the car. So, I mean, I say you probably got safely city driving at least 3,000 miles you can put on the car from the time that brake sensor comes on. So while you got these pads in, before you take the old pads out, now is the best time to try to do any kind of decompression on the pistons before you put the new ones in. That way you have space. Because if you do it with the new pads in, and you put anything in there, you'll be scuffing the pads up a little bit, you know, messing up their surface. So right now the best time to do anything, if you want to use a screwdriver or whatever, you know, however you do it. I'm not about to do what I do on camera, because somebody gonna say something anyway. But I'm gonna pry this thing open, and I'm gonna do it while the old pad's in. Get a little more width on them, because the new pad's gonna take up more space. Okay, I'm over here still cleaning my caliper. Get it nice and light. Down there. Don't wait to get this shiny clean, because it's gonna get dirty again, but make sure I ain't got no crazy cooked up grease nowhere. I'm not trying to get it all super bright and shiny, but I'll tell you one thing, this deep grease I be using ain't to play with. A lot better than it was when I first took it off. So side now, I'm good. Hose cleaning. Alright. Go ahead and pop the pads on. Which really don't take long to pop the pads. Get it out. Make sure I lube this good too. This pad's gonna sit. That's gonna sit. That's on the piston side. It's gonna be on this side. Make sure I get those areas right here lubed real good. Side now. In. Alright, get ready to clean my hands up, get ready to mount this thing. Alright, so I got this caliper back on. I got these bolts clean. I put a little lube on these bolts. I put the sensor back in, and I got this cleaned up a little bit more. So I'm about to go ahead and lube these up a little bit, and then torque these like 45 pounds, and get these put back on. So it was a lot easier putting the bottom clip on first. And come down here to the back. You know, I don't know if I could do it like this. I could bend it on the bottom part first. Just trying something different. Let's try stuff. Come on. You don't better get enough turn. This plate gotta fit square. Alright. I see a different idea. I'm gonna try something different. I like to try different things for y'all. Alright, let's see if this idea works a little bit easier. I see people having struggles with this. I like to see if I can make it better. Now, you don't want to scratch your paint up, your enamel on here, but probably want to wrap. Believe it or not, that was pretty darn close. I see the issue. Okay. Same thing trying to start happening. So my little clip slid down a little bit. Once again. So up here, try this a little bit different. See what's happening at the tip of this metal. is trying to dig in. Gotta pull it away a little bit, like that. Pop it in. Oh, look at this, the freaking metal thing down here that slid around. Damn. And these little things are like little metal brackets that prevent wear, so they put them in like little inserts. And this thing is slid up here now. I could take it off. It sits right in there. But now I'm gonna get this out. I'll start over again. Insert goes right there. What I'm gonna do? It's kind of adhesive or something. I'm doing this 3 times for y'all. I'm doing this 3 times for y'all, man. All little issues that might happen and could go wrong or could go unexpected are happening, and I want to show y'all how I'm getting around them. So again, this clip, just make sure it's bent down. Bent down. Bent down. Okay. This little clip right here. Okay, got them on. Got that on. Alright. All that's on. Let's try this again. 3rd time's the charm. I recommend you tape the ends of your pliers up, because these pliers are definitely making it easy. Definitely making it easy. Same with this one. The bottom's on. So you just kind of move it out, move this out a little bit as I pull it down. Keep this metal thing on, pop it in, boom, like so. Plate is on, in place, tight and locked. Oh, all I gotta do is pump my brakes, get that pressure on them, and we are back on. Don't forget to put your dust caps on, back on the back again. Put these dust caps on. Boom. Brake pads are changed. Really easy task. I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult, this was about 3. I think anyone can do this. Hardest part will be this dust cover. I mean, the spring rattle plate, whatever. And like I showed y'all, don't do it exactly how I did it. I like the channel lock idea. That's the I've like I said, I like to find out things that work the easiest that I may not see everybody do. As y'all seen with the fuel injector video, I mean anything. So anyway, get your pliers, get your channel locks, and get some tape, some electric tape, and wrap up the base on the bottom, couple wraps, and then wrap up the top a couple wraps before you use them. That way you won't be putting grooves or cutting up and destroying your enamel on your brake calipers. I mean, yeah, brake calipers. So I'm about to move to the other side and knock these out now. I'm tripping. Caps off. 9mm hex. Make sure I'm going the wrong way, I mean right way. So yeah, it should be this way, right? Oh. I'm going the wrong way. There we go. Okay, that one out. I know it's all, but no, gotta work it out. Work it out. Because it comes out of a sleeve. There we go. Both of them are out. Take those, give it a little clean. A little clean. Clean. More. Clean lubed up. Alright, that is ready to go back in. I like to use my red grease. Put these to the side now. Ready for I'm ready for the put back on. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the outside of this caliper. I'm gonna start degreasing it down in a second anyway. course, on this side, I don't have the tire sensor. I mean, no, the brake sensor. So I don't have to worry about that being clipped in right here. Only got it on the driver's side. But be careful of your ABS wires. They are delicate. That's this wire right here. Right next to the brake line. Time to pop off. Yeah, let y'all see it right quick. Pop off this cap, this cover. Come right here. And do the other side a little bit. Pop that out. Keep your hand in front of it because it will come out. It wants to fly out. Let me turn this back. So I have access. Now pull a little bit. A lot of bit for them brakes. Alright, now I have room to take it off because I release some of that pressure. I pull this ABS line out the clip first. And now I put this box up under here. Sit my caliper on. Get that plate out the way. No. Working from the front. So let's see what's going on over here while I'm working. So I told y'all earlier, better to decompress right now. It won't mess up your new pads when you put them on. However you want to do it. So buy a decompression, a brake decompression tool. It's a lot easier. Take your pads off in the order and lay them to the side. When you take them off, so you know which side goes and where. This always goes, the small clips always goes in the outer side, the side that faces the outer side of the car or the outer side of the rim. And the inner side has the big clips on it. They look like this. This faces the actual pistons. So take those out. Now we do some mean green cleaning. So go ahead and get this under that brake pad. Do some cleaner. I don't know, clean it up a little bit. And you ain't gotta watch me do this, so we'll hold on for that. Shoot, I put them brake pads in so fast and pop them back out. So now I'm putting the brake pad on, tightening them back up. Then I'm gonna move on to the rear brake pad. A little quick little rub down, deep with the good degreaser. They don't freaking dry out, start getting that stuff stuck back on. Towel dirty as hell though. Not a good microphone. I hate that. Alright. Let's use this part. Let's use this part. Bottom part. Top part. Channel locks. That was easy as hell. That's the easiest way to put on and remove the rattle plate. Easy. Alright, anyway. Got that done. Just back on. Get this out the way. Get this tire back on. Alright, turn this fan down. The back wheel. Behind here we got two 15mm bolts on the bracket. The bolts are like right here and right here behind the back side of this rotor. So let's get behind here. Oh man, I just realized my brake sensors, they must be the one. Is it this side? Is there a brake sensor on this? Yeah. It must have been going off of my back brakes, not my front brakes. My back brakes were low. That's what it was. So forget that 3,000 mile thing I was talking about, because that couldn't have been the front sensor that was doing that. That's the back sensor. But let's get this bracket off. I have to get down low. Put some torque on this thing. Side. The right side. Is that the right direction? Make sure. Going in the right direction. I know the bolt's supposed to have like 85 pounds torque on this motor. It's supposed to be real. Yeah, I'm gonna get my let's see. This top one first. Yeah, I'm about to freaking get torque wrench or something. Let me see. Okay, so I was going the wrong way once again. Getting confused from the backside. So got the two bolts out. Get something to slide the bracket. Sit this bracket on. like I did at the beginning. Maybe this. Maybe so. Yeah, how about that? Pull a little bit. Oops. Knock the whole rotor off, but gotta free up these space. Pistons. Alright. Decompress these pistons. I can get them off. Let me see what I'm gonna use. Man, I forgot. Stupid me. So I was supposed to come in here first and put my car on brake maintenance mode, which basically is pretty simple. So first, put the car on, put the ignition on. Once the ignition's on, hold this down for 2 seconds. Hold your accelerator down for 2 seconds. Then you're gonna cut the car off and on while we're holding. Then it comes on, we release. Look, talking about everything open.
The imagery, probably the reason they gon' remember me.
Alright. Brake maintenance mode. So now we're in brake maintenance mode, alright? So we ready to go now. Of course, it's telling me all these alerts. It's hard for y'all to see it. It's because doors open, the hood's open, brake pads are worn, blah blah yada yada. Alright, so now the parking brake is released and we can go to work on it. Alright, with brake maintenance mode on, now you'll be able to pull this back brake off and let it rest. Of course, you got this sensor on, and you got this ABS line right here, so be careful for this one. And you got your brake line right there. So let's see if I can just, I'm gonna leave that on. Can just rest. Next we're gonna pull this rotor off. Give me some more room to work right now. Heavy rotor, jeez. Wow, it was about 15, 20 pounds for like it. So I'm plucking this out. Get my damn ready. You can see brake pads pretty damn low. You definitely see that on both sides. Boot out back there, do a little cleaning in there. Don't take no time, and then reinstall. All right, so bad news. Bad news. These pads are not the ones from my car. They look exactly the same. They're slightly smaller. think they're for the other Jaguar. I can look at them and see them. The size difference on these pads slightly off. See, that one's bigger, clearly bigger from clip to clip. I mean it's like probably like a centimeter bit wider when you look at it from the top. The bracket is longer on the top side and on the bottom side. So that was supposed to be the back pads, but I had the front pads right here. So since I had original front pads, OEM front pads, I put those on. That wasn't a big deal. I had no idea, man. I would have thought I would ordered both sets of pads. So now I'm gonna call Power Stop, see if I can get these sent back, pay for the shipping, and get both of the right front and back pads. And then I'll be redoing the fronts again, since now I really don't have the back set. So gotta do this again. Hey, trials and errors, man. Trials and errors. So we'll be back with part 2 of the brake pad video, because we cannot complete the video right now. So again, make sure y'all sub to the video, man. We come back with part 2 next week. Today is Saturday, no, Friday. So I'm gonna try to call today, see what happens. Later, deuces. Oh. Okay. Finally, I was old. I gotta take these. I'm taking these stock pads off the front. I'm getting rid of them things, but in with the new. We got the Porterfield brakes in. Those are the rears, and these are the fronts. I haven't even opened them yet, but let's see if I can get them open with one hand. Oh shoot, I got all that junk taped up. Anyway, we're gonna actually get somewhere today, cause went online and straight to website porterfield.com, and I got these brakes, man. So man, I gotta get them old metal metallic, super metallic looking brakes off the front, and finally got some brakes for the back to get that brake light off. So we'll get these installed. Oh, look, I'm not about to sit here and film all. It is 99 degrees outside. Humidity is probably around 60 to 70%. I'm not about to be stepping that camera around the entire time. So I'm gonna show y'all little bits and pieces, but I'm about to get through this junk quick. And I'm gonna piece this video, probably the first video, make it all in one. So let's get to it. right here always slides down. You gotta re-clamp it down, make it tighter every time. Readjust it. That little clamp supposed to cuff again. Have some extra down. Tighten this one up a little bit. Popping it on. Go something like this. And then my basic clamp back side first. So I'll see what's going on. Put these two in first. Then I grab right here. Back side, the first one. That'll work. Let me get a little tighter. Right there. We put tape on these. Oh, that's not successful. So I'm supposed to have tape on these, so I won't scratch my caliper up. So I'm just gonna try to make sure I don't move it as much. But this is how I had the most luck, success with doing it. Alright, last time it was a little easier. I thought I did the back first. It might be the front. I think I did the front first. Yeah, I think it might have been the front first. You gotta do one side first. I thought it was the bottom first. Let me try the top first. Yeah, the top might be better. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm trying to put these on. I don't scratch my stuff up. Could have sworn it got it. Okay, so brake pads are on, and I'm tired, so this is the end of the video. Till next time. A piece of skin. Deuces.